What's up, YouTubers? Today I'm at the 𝗓𝗏𝗃 Cemetery and I'm here to show you the resting place of Martha Ann Rogers. Now, going back a few months ago, we did this video on the deadly chimney fall at Newlands in Bradford, and 54 people perished that day. Majority were children. Now, Martha was one of the victims, and she's the age of 16. Now, at the moment, this is the summer season, believe it or not. I know it looks dull, but you can see what the 𝗓𝗏𝗃 charity are up against. And finding resting places and headstones is not easy, but they're doing their best. Do contact them through their website, and they have a lot of projects going on. Do go onto their tours, and I'll put the link in the description. Every bit helps, and all the funding goes back into the cemetery, and this place is an actual gem. So I believe her resting place is here. There it is there. I'll just, again, I don't really like standing on graves, but I just need to come round and show you. There you go. Martha Ann Rogers, their granddaughter, who died December 28th of 1882, age 16. I've been here maybe 5 months ago, and what I'll do is I'll put that particular video at the end of this clip because it's easier to watch. There's not much greenery, as you can imagine, at that time. And this is the Otley Road side. If you ever want to come on look at this grave. So the idea is, well, there's 54 victims, and majority of the bodies, I think about 20 odd places, plots should I say, are in 𝗓𝗏𝗃 Cemetery. There's quite a few in 𝗡𝗏𝘄𝗹𝘆, and I have heard that there are other victims of the disaster located in other parts of Bradford in different cemeteries, and it's going to take me a while, and I am working on finding the other victims' resting places in Bradford. It's going to be a job and a half, as you know, this goes back a while, this particular disaster, and I can imagine quite a lot of the times the graves will be unmarked, there will be no headstones, but I am on a mission to find the rest of the resting places of the victims. So from what I've read, Martha lived at 35 Quill Street in Bradford. I don't think that property exists no more, but that kind of gives you a feel that a lot of these victims actually lived near the Newland, owned by William Henry Ripley, as we all know. Again, I've done a couple of videos on him. Do check our channel. And that's it really, just a quick video. like I said, it's going to take some time to find the rest of the victims, but this disaster was obviously one of the darkest days in the history of Bradford, and these names should be never forgotten. So again, do share, like, subscribe, and I'll meet you on the next vlog.